AI is changing everything, from how businesses make decisions to how machines understand language and images. But here's the truth nobody talks about. AI can't work without data mining. It's the process of digging through raw data to find the patterns that make AI smart. This video course is Introductory Data Mining. The book the material comes from is Data Rookies, Data Mining Basics, available from Data Analytics Curriculum LLC and can be direct downloaded from the website. In addition, there are supplements and lab exercises for download. Let's begin with Chapter 1, Foundations of Data Mining. Welcome to Section 1 to 3, the data mining process. In this lesson, we'll walk through the 5 essential steps used in real-world data mining. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Outline the 5 steps of the data mining process. 2. Explain the role of data preparation and exploration. These two areas, preparation and exploration, are where analysts spend most of their time. Overview of the data mining process. The data mining process is based on the CRISPM methodology, which stands for Cross-Industry Standard Process for Data Mining. It's a 5-step, iterative process that helps us move from raw data to actionable knowledge. Each step builds on the previous one, leading to meaningful insights and better decisions. Schematic of data mining process. Step 1. Obtain and explore data. The first step in data mining is exploring data. Data might come from a company's database, a data warehouse, or even external sources. As analysts, we retrieve this data ourselves or work with IT to access it. Then, we load it into tools like Orange, R, or Python for analysis. Step 1 continued. Exploratory data analysis. Once the data is loaded, we perform exploratory data analysis, or EDA. That includes creating frequency tables, visualizations, and summary statistics. EDA helps us understand what's in the data, spot missing values, and identify patterns before running any models. Step 2. Data preprocessing. The second step is data preprocessing. Here, we prepare raw data so it's clean, consistent, and suitable for mining algorithms. This step is often the most time-consuming but also the most important, because poor quality data leads to poor quality results. Step 2. Continued preprocessing tasks. Common preprocessing tasks include cleaning and correcting data errors, reducing dimensionality by removing irrelevant variables, filtering or subsetting data to focus on what matters, normalizing values so they're on a common scale. All of these steps help the algorithms perform more effectively. Step 3. Data mining. Step 3 is the core analysis stage. This is where data mining techniques are applied to discover patterns and insights. Step 3. Continued mining techniques. There are 3 main types of techniques used here. Clustering, which groups similar data points together. Association, which finds relationships or market basket patterns. Classification, which predicts categories or labels. These techniques transform data into knowledge. Step 4. Post-processing. Step 4 is post-processing. Once we have results from our models, we need to evaluate and refine them. The goal is to make sure our findings are valid, reliable, and useful. Step 4. Continued. Evaluation and validation. Key activities include assessing model performance with metrics like accuracy or precision, validating results to ensure they generalize to new data, adjusting the model or parameters to improve quality. This step ensures that our insights can be trusted. Step 5. Application of knowledge. The final step is applying the knowledge. We take the insights from our models and use them to drive decisions and actions. This is where the business or organization benefits from the analysis. Step 5. Continued practical outcomes. Examples of practical outcomes include solving real-world problems, informing business or policy decisions, implementing operational improvements. Ultimately, the data mining process turns information into results. Key takeaway. To summarize, the data mining process is structured but flexible. It involves obtaining and exploring data, preparing it carefully, applying algorithms, validating the results, and finally using those insights to create real value. Remember, the book and supplemental resources are available online at Data Analytics Curriculum's website.